Current AI models can generate functional code blocks faster than most developers can read them. At this speed, the manual effort of copy-pasting, formatting, and file switching becomes the primary bottleneck in a high-speed coding session. We are configuring the OpenAI Codex Micro to solve that friction. By the end of this video, you'll be able to launch debugging workflows, refactor logic, and approve changes without moving your hands away from your primary workspace. To start the configuration, you will need your physical Codex Micro pad, a Mac or Windows PC, and an active OpenAI developer account. The hardware is modular, shipping with 13 mechanical switches and 32 different icon keycaps. This lets you build a physical layout that matches the specific shortcuts you use most often. Assigning agent commands to physical switches removes the need to leave your source file to type out a manual prompt. You interact with the AI through the hardware itself, keeping your focus on the project's logic. First, establish the physical connection. Connect the pad to your computer using the included USB-C cable or pair it via Bluetooth. Now, customize your physical layout. Choose the icon keycaps that represent your most frequent agent tasks and snap them onto the mechanical switches. When the device powers on, you will see 6 illuminated keys light up. These LEDs provide a direct visual feed of the AI's current status. This chart maps the status colors. Green means an unread message, while blue indicates the agent is thinking. Orange means the agent is paused, needing approval or having a question. Finally, red signifies a workflow error requiring intervention. Do not press command keys while the pad glows blue. Sending inputs while the agent processes interrupts its workflow. Learning this color-coded system creates a continuous feedback loop on your desk. You can monitor the progress of a complex task without needing to switch windows to check the chat interface. Next, we'll program the analog inputs, beginning with the rotary dial. This dial adjusts the AI's reasoning level. Turning it changes how much computation the model applies to a problem. Use a lower setting for simple autocomplete tasks and increase it for complex architectural issues. The joystick located below the dial serves as the primary trigger for initiating major coding sequences. Open the WorkLouder configuration software on your machine to map the joystick's directional axes. Using this schematic, map the up direction to trigger a debugging routine for console errors. Map down to run a code refactoring sequence, and right to open your current pull request for review. Consolidating these multi-step sequences into a single physical movement removes the need to navigate through IDE menus, keeping your attention on the code. Finally, return to the configuration software to assign actions to the 13 mechanical switches. Dedicate 2 of your most accessible keys to accept suggestion and reject suggestion to handle incoming code changes quickly. Assign another key to the pin chat function. This keeps the relevant AI conversation visible while you navigate between different files in your project. You can also integrate the touch sensor at the top of the pad into your custom macros, using it as a secondary modifier or a toggle for specific agent behaviors. Replacing software clicks with mechanical keystrokes speeds up the review process, making interaction with the agent feel like a natural extension of your typing. With the board programmed, let's run a test. We will execute a complete code refactor using only the Codex Micro. Highlight the block of code you want to improve, then initiate the refactor by flicking the joystick downward. Observe the LEDs. The pad glows blue while the agent generates the new logic, then transitions to orange once the refactored code is ready for your review. After checking the changes on your screen, press your dedicated Accept key to commit the code. That single press completes the cycle. You've triggered a workflow, monitored the AI's state, and approved the final output without touching your standard keyboard. Your Codex Micro is now a functional command center for your development work. Explore the WorkLouder software for more advanced macro options and subscribe for future tutorials.